What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the head. So far you've done two things to set up the file properly. Declare to the browser that your code is HTML with doc type HTML. Added HTML elements that will contain the rest of your code. We've added these elements to the Brown Bears page you previously created. Now let's also give the browser some information about the page itself. We can do this by adding a head element. Remember the body tag? The head element is part of the HTML metaphor. It goes above our body element. Now the head element contains the metadata for the web page. Metadata is information about the web page that isn't displayed directly on the web page, unlike the information inside of the body tag. Now, the metadata you'll see an example of this in the next exercise. The opening and closing head tags typically appear as the first item after your HTML tag, after your first HTML tag. So place the head elements below the opening HTML tag. Okay, so head elements, we'll place it right here. We'll do, oh yeah, we can put it here. The head, and then put slash head. There we go. Perfect. And I'm going to end it right here. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.